Good day, everyone! Today we will show you on how to make Tuna Caesar salad. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's start with the ingredients first. Drained tuna, carrot cut into julienne, not so thinly, cucumber cut into rondelle, chopped tomatoes. You can use bread pan if curtains is not available. Romaine lettuce. A Caesar salad is a green salad of romaine lettuce and curtains, with other vegetables with a highly seasoned of dressing. Next, here are the other ingredients for dressing and toppings. Parmesan cheese, Caesar dressing. Now, let's proceed on how to make this healthy and yummy green salad. Step 1. Put the romaine lettuce in a mixing bowl. Step 2. Add the 95 grams drained tuna. This salad is very easy to prepare because you don't need to cook the ingredients. For the third procedure, you can now add the cucumber and carrot. Step 4. Put the tomatoes in a mixing bowl, then toss. When you toss food, you gently mix small pieces of it together. Step 5. Add the Parmesan cheese. Then continue tossing to mix all the ingredients. Step 6. After tossing, add the bread pan, which is alternative for curtains. Then, you can now transfer it to the plate and ready for garnishing and plating. 7. Arrange the romaine lettuce attractively and put a small container for the Caesar salad dressing. Step 8. Put the tossed vegetables into the plate. Make sure to follow the guidelines in plating vegetables. See, this recipe is easy peasy. Salad greens are also healthy and good for diet. For the final step or procedure, garnish it with Parmesan cheese at the top to add flavor and texture. Step 10. You can now serve and eat this yummalicious Tuna Caesar salad. Hello everyone! Let's cook another simple vegetable dish. Let's prepare stir-fry mixed vegetables. For the ingredients we have: mixed vegetables, baguio beans or green beans, chopped onion, minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of butter, seasoning, mixed vegetable is a recipe that is budget-friendly and easy to cook. This is the procedure on how to cook this vegetable dish. Step 1. Heat the pan. The second step, add the 1 tablespoon of butter. Step 3. Sauté the garlic. Wait until the garlic releases its aroma. done this. When it is cooked, you can now proceed to the next step. Step 6. Stir-fry the mixed vegetable until it's cooked. Step 7. Add a small amount of seasoning. Mix it thoroughly to lightly season all the vegetables. After a few minutes, you can now transfer it to the plate and ready for garnishing and plating. Step 8. Serve and enjoy. This is our very simple and easy to cook stir-fry mixed vegetable. Hello there, cookery students! For today, let us prepare glazed sweet potatoes as our vegetable appetizer. These are the ingredients needed. 1/4 butter, tapioca, 1 cup of sugar, sweet potatoes chopped into small pieces. Lastly, 300 grams of water. You will only need 5 ingredients in preparing glazed sweet potatoes. So, let's start. First, heat the pan. Second, put the granulated sugar and make it caramelized. Caramelization happens when sugar is introduced to heat. You need to wait until the sugar turns into brown color. Continue stirring so that you will achieve this consistency. The third procedure, add 300 grams of water. Just wait for a few minutes, then boil. The next step, add the chopped sweet potatoes. Then simmer it for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, add tapioca and let it cook. Do not overcook the sweet potatoes. Make sure to cook it in low heat. The next step, add 1/4 of butter and mix until the butter melts. You can now serve this appetizing glazed sweet potatoes into the plate. This recipe is budget-friendly and very easy. This is our finished product. Glazed sweet potato is a healthy dish which can serve as appetizer. Live, love, cook with Cookery 10 teachers. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.